Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add TradingView indicator in MT5, easy method. Start by exporting or saving the indicator code from TradingView, then prepare MT5 by opening File and the Data folder. Next, place the indicator file into MQL5/indicators. Restart MT5 and locate it in the navigator. Finally, drag the indicator onto a chart, tweak inputs and time frame, and confirm it plots identical signals to your TradingView chart. To export, open the Pine editor on TradingView and copy the indicator code into a safe text file, or use an export tool that supports Pine to MQL conversion. Ensure input names and default values are preserved to avoid mismatches later. If needed, simplify complex functions that rely on TradingView-only libraries so the converter can handle them. Keep backups of the original script in case you need to revert or compare behavior after importing to MT5. Quick ad break and a friendly ask. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. So grab Little Tree's black ice for a pleasant ride while you check charts. I put the product link and other deals in the description, so check there if you want one. And now let's get back to the video. Once you have a converted MQL5 indicator file, open MT5 and select File, then open Data folder to reveal the MQL5 directory. Drop the new indicator into MQL5/indicators. Then close and restart MT5 so it compiles and registers. After restart, open the Navigator panel, find your indicator under Indicators, and drag it to the chart. Adjust inputs, colors, and time frame until the signals match your expectations and TradingView chart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.